Welcome to Operator AI. I'm Jasmine. Competitions and awards nowadays are interesting. In the Creative Open category, this image won a Sony World Photography Award. It was created using an AI text-to-image generated model. From Midjourney to Stable Diffusion, Bing, also Craiyon, and Dolly 2 are a few systems to name that generate images from a prompt.
The prompt is the detail you input in the search-generating image model. From there, the artificial intelligence can contrive an art as close to the detail you gave it, to the best of its ability by using algorithms and machine learning to create the image. AI text-to-image use machine learning data that it's trained on to understand and generate visual images. By comprehending the text it's given in a prompt, it uses everything it learned involving those words to create an image of it. Putting words into images. The artist is from Berlin, Boris Eldagsen. On his blog reads, "Thank you for selecting my image and making this a historic moment, as it is the first AI-generated image to win in a prestigious international photography competition. How many of you knew or suspected that it was AI-generated? Something about this doesn't feel right, does it? AI images and photography should not compete with each other in an award like this. They are different entities. AI is not photography. Therefore, I will not accept the award." His intentions were to see if competitions are ready for AI images. So he decided to see if an AI image would win an award. It did. He also wanted to discuss the chances and risks of AI image generators with the competition committee. I response from Rio that they knew the art was AI generated. He responded, also, pretending that they knew the picture was AI is wrong. I told one of your assistants in length, but then after the press release your PR executive contacted me, being surprised about all the inquiries regarding my image and asking for more info. The art is from a series called Pseudonesia, in Latin terms for pseudo-memory, a fake memory of events that never took place. He used visual languages from the time of 1940s to produce the AI images of fake memories of a past that never took place.
In another story, Jason is a 39-year-old game designer. He won an award in the 2022 Colorado State Fair Fine Arts competition, taking home the first prize in the digital arts category. He later posted the art with ribbon on Midjourney Discord chat. Then it found its way on Twitter in a controversial uproar. He created it using Midjourney. He said he notified Colorado State Fair. When he dropped off his submission to the state fair officials, Jason M. Allen via Midjourney, the Colorado Department of Agriculture stated Mr. Allen disclosed Midjourney's involvement when submitting his piece. The category rules allow practice of using digital technology for the artist in a creative process. The Colorado State Fair will look to have AI in its own category to avoid any controversies. My conclusion to those stories: society is transitioning to the new art world and photography by using artificial intelligence to create the art for them. Eyes will be fooled, AI, scammers will misuse honesty by a few. These stories can be rare with honest people. Some people will not tell others that their artwork was created by AI. Then again, we're in a time where people has an urge to tell on themselves. So it will all work out. Society was built on human productivity. Let's not use AI to be our new creativity. Rather use it to enhance our creativity. Thank you for your time and make sure you tune in for more videos from Operator AI.